This also has taller gears than the Camaro.
Oh, I forgot I was in the damn fucking manual. It's been a little while since I drove manual. I mean, yeah, you see it? Couldn't you get in the fucking right gear ever?
Yeah. This one is tricky with going
This is tricky. I was starting to get a little bit better sense, but
you
yeah,
just can't throw it like this.
No, yeah.
It's gotta be more straight.
I did not want to money shift your car, so I was constantly always going more than I needed to, which this is a pretty tight gearbox.
It is. There's a lot of gears.
Very tight.
It's almost like a short shifter.
It is, yeah, you don't need a short shifter.
No, you don't.
That'll actually be really nice. I mean, when I get used to it, that'll be wicked. Dang, only a 203. That's pretty sorry.
It's a new car. Haven't driven manual in years, right?
It's been a little while.
All the excuses.